Welcome to the Tube Spring Automation Project, presented by ASSA ABLOY and the UNC Charlotte Senior Design students. Due to the current pandemic, ASSA ABLOY decided to put this project, which counted as a capital project, on hold for the time being. With the company representative and the faculty advisor, it was determined that it was best to move forward with the project as a proof of concept. The proof of concept was built to show how one station, here being the screw end effector, would function in a limited capacity. The biggest changes in the proof of concept was the changes in material on certain parts, as well as the removal of the bowl feeders and the indexing table. Originally, steel was to be used for the vacuum indexer and the connector plates. The connector plates for the proof of concept were 3D printed out of both polycarbonate carbon-filled plastic and polyethylene terephthalate glycol, or PETG. The vacuum indexer was machined out of aluminum stock.
Because of the pandemic, the electrical portion of the project had to be altered. The original idea was to have input sensors relay information back to the PLC and have the information displayed with HMI provided by Allen Bradley. Since the project was scaled down, only a PLC and power supply were needed to run the whole machine. The ladder logic code from Click PLC was a simple logic that utilized timers for actuator control. The budget was severely reduced and did not allow for any input sensors, but the goal of movement from pickup location to indexer was still achieved. The new concept was to have the PLC only control the opening and closing of solenoid valves that controlled the pneumatics for the machine. This allowed the actuator to move to a desired location and grip the screw, all with only controlling the amount of time air was flowing to the components. The valve outputs were protected by fused terminal blocks so that the PLC could be protected in the incident of a short circuit. Also, an emergency stop button was installed that killed power to the power supply. In future models, the e-stop button would only kill power to the PLC outputs, as that is a more effective means of shutting the system down without causing further issues, should a problem arise. This was a proof of concept to show the use of the grips, vacuum holding the screw in the indexer, and the repeatability of the machine to ASSA ABLOY, and that was achieved by the electronics used.